Hello guys, it's me again, Ayan, who loves cheap products and DIY projects. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to use this gimbal in Gimbal Pro app. If you are interested to know how, then keep on watching. Is a tool that uses motors and intelligent sensors to support and stabilize a camera, meaning you can film silky smooth video footages while on the move. Prestigio 3-axis gimbal can minimize unsteady hand movements in taking your videos for your vlogs, cinematography, or travel videos. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored. At the top, you have the phone clamp that will hold your mobile phone, and you have to put it all the way through the tilt motor for maximum security, like so. First, you have to manually balance the phone to your gimbal by adjusting the roll balance thumb screw before turning it on. When it's all leveled, please don't forget to securely tighten it back. This process is to avoid the motors of your gimbal not to be too stressed out and your gimbal will not break down easily. If you haven't downloaded the app, just go to Play Store and type in Gimbal Pro. This is also available in App Store for iOS, and once installed, click on Open. You will be redirected to the app and you have to pair your gimbal to your phone. So turn on your Bluetooth, then scroll down and look for your gimbal name. Once you see it, select it. Then click OK to pair it. Once paired, turn on your gimbal, press hold the power button for 3 seconds, then click Find the Device and select the name of your gimbal. First, you need to go to the bottom right corner, click the gear icon, then Gimbal, and then scroll down, see the IMU, click on Start Calibration. Please make sure your gimbal is on a smooth surface for good calibration. Then click Confirm. Please take note that it may take a while for the calibration to be completed, so please be patient. Once finished, just scroll up and click on Done. This step will make sure your video to be perfectly aligned and leveled. Now let us proceed to the front of the gimbal. We have two LED indicators at the top. We have the power light and the mode light. And the mode light should always be green or blue because when it turns red, it means there is a problem. In the middle, we have the joystick that controls the direction of your camera from left to right, up and down. Next is the power button. You have to press hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold for 3 seconds again and it will turn off. Pressing it 2 times and it will change the camera from back to front and front to back. Pressing it 3 times and it will change the camera from picture mode to video mode. Next button is the mode button. So by default, your gimbal is set to follow all mode. This mode The camera will follow the movement of the handle. By pressing the mode button once, it will change to the next mode, which is the half follow mode. The camera will only follow the handle horizontally. Pressing it again once and it will go to the next mode, which is the lock all mode. This mode locks the camera movement and will not follow the movement of the handle. At the right side, you have the zoom in and out button. The left side would be the power input and output source. The micro USB port is for you to charge the gimbal, and the power light will become steady when fully charged. The USB port is for you to charge your phone using your gimbal. At the back, you have the shutter button, and below that would be the holes for you to put a strap on your gimbal. At the very bottom, there is a screw hole for you to attach a tripod, and this tripod is not included in the package. I really suggest for you to use this kind of tripod for your gimbal to stand up very securely. Like this one. The gimbal can stand alone by itself, but yeah. And here is how to shoot in portrait mode. Just tilt the handle to 70 degrees to take a portrait shot. Alright, so now let's move on to the app. At the top left corner, you will see the Bluetooth icon, and when its color is blue, it means that your phone is connected to your gimbal. If the color is white, then it's not connected. The icon beside it would give you two option tracking. The person-like icon is for face tracking, meaning that the camera will follow your face as it moves within the video stream. The second one is the object tracking. So what you need to do is just draw a box to the object, and the camera will follow that object as it moves within the video frame. This icon will give you the option to switch between picture mode and video mode, and vice versa. When on picture mode, this icon will give you the option of single shot with timers, and the other one would be for panorama. Now, when on video mode, this icon will give you the option of these cool features. To do this, you have to set the thumbnails, duration of stay, rotation speed, and shutter interval as you can see in the screen. Next icon would be the shutter button, and this icon is for selfie to back camera and vice versa. This icon is for your gallery, and you'll see here the photos and videos that you took using this app. At the top right corner, you have the gimbal mode icon, the gimbal battery, your phone battery, and the flash. By pressing the home icon, you will be redirected to the Gimbal Pro app home screen. The camera icon will give you these options. First is the grid, so you can choose none. You can put the grid, center point, grid, diagonals. Second option would be the filter. So you have a lot of filter here to choose from. Next option would be the flash. So you can put it on off, on, auto, always on. I just put it on off. Next is the white balance. You can put it in sunny, cloudy, incandescent, fluorescent. I put it in auto. And then the video resolution, there's 4K, 1080, 720. I just put it in 1080, all in 30 frames per second. The next would be for you to turn on the HDR and also the beauty. The gimbal icon will give you these options. One is live face tracking, and then the modes that we talked about earlier. One is follow all, half follow, lock all. So you can choose walk or you can choose sport if you are moving fast like running. The last icon is the gear icon, and it will give you the option for camera, for panorama quality, and you can choose between high, medium, or low. So I just put it on high. Next is the gimbal. So you can choose the speed of the joystick. So this is slow. And by pressing the mode button twice, it will go to the default position. And then this is the medium. And this is the fast. The next option is for your joystick control direction, horizontal, vertical, or free. And the next would be the follow speed. You can put it on slow, medium, or fast. I just put it on medium. And then you can choose the vertical speed, slow, medium, fast. And then I just put it on medium. And then down below you can see the calibration at the very bottom to reset your gimbal. Next is the general section where you can see the device info, where there is an option for you to upgrade all. And the next would be the device name, which you cannot change. And that will be it for this tutorial. And by the way, I bought this gimbal for only 1,786 pesos last June 2021. And if you want, I can put a link in the description. And also this tripod for only 249 pesos, which is not included in the package. And I will link the description below. So there you have it, guys. For me, I would definitely recommend buying this gimbal that helped me get more steady shots for a cinematic videos. Thank you so much for staying and watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. See you in my next one. Bye!